Hi guys, in this episode we look at the review of Weekly Quiz 5. We start by saying, if we have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started. We start with language arts. Identify the gender of the nouns underlined in the sentences below. Now, nouns can be masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. Masculine if they refer to a male, feminine if they refer to a female, common if they can be used for both male or female, and neuter if they do not refer to male or female. So, number 1, the people shouted, "Long live the king." And the word underlined here is people, and that would be common because it could be males or females. Number 2, the bride threw the bouquet and her sister caught it at the wedding last night. And bride is underlined, and that refers to a female, so it's feminine. Number 3, the books are on the table. This is neuter because a table does not refer to a male or female. Number 4, the monks fed the orphans daily. And monks would be masculine. We now go to our mathematics. Number 5. In 321 minus 21, what is 21? And the 21 would be the subtrahend. It would be the number that we are taking away. Number 6 says, what is 1000 minus 435? So here we have it all set out. We have our 1000 and we're going to take our 435 from it. So 5 from 0 we can't, and we're going to go to a point where we can take 1. So we go all the way over. This will leave us with 9. We'll take it here, add that 1. This becomes 10. We'll take 1 from it, leaving us with 9. And that 1 set comes over here and makes 10. So 5 from 10 now, that will leave us with 5. 3 from 9 will leave us with 6. And 4 from 9 will leave us with 5. So our answer will be 565. So from our options provided, that would be B, 565. Number 7 says, solve 28 plus 67 minus 13 minus 49. So here we have it all set out. 28 plus 67 minus 13 minus 49. This is a mixed operation. So in this case, we're going to need to put all the things we're adding together. That would be our 28 and our 67. And we would find the total sum of those. And we would find the total difference by adding 13 and 49. To find the answer, we would then need to take the total difference from the total sum. So let's do that. So we have our 28, and we're going to add 67 to that. So 7 and 8 would be 15. Put down 5 and carry 1. And 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9. So this is 95. Let's find out what the total difference will be. So this is 13 and 49. We'll add these to get our total difference. So 9 and 3 will be 12. Put down our 2, we carry 1. And 4 and 1, 5, and 1 will give us what? 6. So our total, let's switch colors, our total difference is 62 and our total sum is 95. Now we're going to take the total difference from the total sum. So 95, and we're going to take from it 62. So switch colors again. So 2 from or 5 will leave us with 3. And 6 from 9 will leave us with 3. So our answer will be 33. And when we look at our options here, we see that D corresponds with 33. Now, this 0 before or 33 may confuse some people, but we all know that 0 before the number will not change the value there. All right. So we now move on to number 8. Number 8 says, in 232 multiplied by 14, which is the multiplier? And that would be the 14. Number 9. What is true of multiplication? And what is true is that factor by factor is equal to product. Social studies. Number 10. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It's a natural satellite of the earth. Number 11. What is the blanket of gases that surround the earth called? And that would be the atmosphere. The atmosphere. Number 12. What does the ozone layer protect us from? And that would be ultraviolet rays. And those rays are harmful to animals and plants. Number 13. The atmosphere has how many main layers? It has 4. Now, this is dependent on which book you're reading. Some books will say it has 4. Some books will say it has 5, with the 5th being the exosphere. The exosphere is defined as the area that is beyond our atmosphere. All right. So, based on the work that we did, we will say 4, but keep in mind that you may do research online, or you may read a book at the library or something else, and you may come across 5 layers, with the extra layer being the exosphere. Number 14. What is the lowest level of the atmosphere where most weather is formed called? And that would be the troposphere. The troposphere. Number 15. The atmosphere prevents the earth from getting too, let's look at all our options, too hot or cold. Too hot or cold. Moving on to science. What is the most important natural source of light? And that would be the sun. Number 17. What is a luminous object? A luminous object is something that makes its own light. Number 18. What is a non-luminous object? And that would be something that does not make its own light. Number 19. Which of the following is an illuminated object? Now, an illuminated object is something that reflects light. It does not produce its own light. It reflects light. So, a book is an illuminated object. It reflects light. That's why we're able to see the things on a book page, because light reflects from the book. However, things like a flashlight, the firefly, and the candle are luminous in that they produce their own light. All right. Number 20. Which of the following is true about light? Light does what? It travels in a straight line. That's the end of our quiz for this episode. As always, we are going to make sure that if we have extra time, that we review. And if you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next episode.